Yeah, let's see what they did last night. Let's see what they did. I know Go hit TP1. Yeah, Go hit TP1. Yup, dip down. Hit 1777. TP1 1778. That hit. Bam. Before coming back up. That one's good. You guys should have hit that one. For sure. We'll see what EJ did. Yep, TP1. All good on that. 30 pips. Easy peasy. AJ didn't even knock me in. AJ, it played me. AJ tiptoed to my entry. Didn't even put me in by spread. It came and hit TP. I had to manually enter. It was literally wicked my T. Look at this thing. This thing literally wicked. It's exactly what it did. Look, completely missed me by a wick. So I had to manually enter. If you got in by spread, hey, nice. But had to manually enter. I'm at 85. I closed at 75. But 85 pip move, smack that thing. So hope y'all make some money on that. If you pulled out, you gotta do some trading psychology. Good deal. Let's find some trades. See what we got. See they moving. How y'all doing this morning? Most of these pairs is pushing already. Good. Let's see. Nice. Chef looking all right. They starting to move a little bit. London open, so it's opening up. They creating some things. Consolidation. All these rallies. We got to be patient today. Oh, there we go. We got something forming. EU. Got 5 minutes on this. Let's see what it looks like. We got 5 minutes on this. 5 minutes to come back to that. I don't like Euro pairs, but that looks good. Man, this is. We in there. I gotta start checking my phone. I gotta make sure. I ain't check my phone in a minute. I smacked this GA trade though. I ain't checked my phone. I'm about to check it right now. Oh man, smack GA. That thing gone. We played this yesterday on New York. This was New York trade last night or yesterday. That thing gone. 130. G-CAD, nothing. Right now we're gonna be waiting for EU guy. Wait for EU. G-Chef. G Chef looks pretty good. What's this fall look like? Another 120 move. Hold on, let's look at this. Check it out. Let's check it out. See if they want to come down a little further. Oh yeah, they do want to come down a little further. Got some money down here. And we close to the aqua. Yes, sir. All right, guys. G Chef. All right, G Chef. GBP CHF. Hold on 1 second. Never mind. We're too late right now. We're too late. For the wait. We got to wait. Wait for a pullback. Yeah, we wait for a pullback to get back in. We're gonna end up getting on this up in this middle of this. We don't want to get in the middle of this candle. We don't want to get the end of this candle and it pulls back. So we're gonna wait on the pullback. So we're gonna do this. Yeah, we don't want to get in the middle of that candle. Never get in the middle of a candle. Ever, ever, ever. You'll regret it. Your account will regret it. Yeah, well, shit. So we got at least 2 hours, about 2 hours on this before it actually forms, when this forms. So we're gonna be patient. I'm gonna watch this trade. I'm gonna definitely send G Chef out. If G Chef sets up, I'll send it out to you guys. It'll probably happen before New York. Right in New York, it'll probably happen. Right now, we're just too late. We got it. We're just too late. It's already 30 pips, 40 pips running. We're not gonna get in the middle of that candle. Not at all. Not at all. Yeah, we're gonna wait. So yeah, we like that one. EU, what we doing, EU? What we doing, EU? All right, guys, we got about a minute on this. Got a minute on this. I'm gonna be looking to sell Euro USD, right? Hold on. No, I'm not. It's consolidating. It's consolidating. You gotta wait. It's consolidating. I don't like these lows right here. We're gonna catch a good one though. No rush. Best possible entry. Best possible entry. G Chef looks good though, but man, we're in too late for this. And too late for that. See this candle right here? This 1 hour candle. If you get into this trade, you're gonna end it right here. You'll end up right here, and then this thing could pull back 40 pips for no reason on you, and then you stuck in a 40 pip drawdown for no reason because your entry was trash. So we don't want to do that. We want to wait for it to come back to us. It'll come back. It'll come back. All right, GJ GJ scares me, but I like it. GJ be smacking me. Every time I play GJ, he be like, oh yeah, Von Zelda market, let's get him. So December's a lot of low volume. So you gotta find the best moves, because they will trap you, absolutely trap you. I mean, trap you. They'll give you the move you want, and they'll take it away. We might be good on this still. Hold on. It's coming off the 4 hour aqua. This is a good move right here. This is actually a good move. To pull back on here. You and GJ for a buy? All right, here we go. NZD CAD. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see, CAD. I like to see CAD. All right, guys, I'm selling NZD CAD. NZD CAD, I'm selling. I'm clicking the button. I'm selling it. Give you the parameters in a minute. All right, NZD CAD, I'm selling. All right, give you guys some rules on this in a minute. Hold on. Let me get this parameters. You guys gonna learn this on actually Thursday. All right, guys, so this is what you do. So, what's good? Where we go? All right, so we got 3 candles on this. It's called 3 candle rule. We got to be in profit in 3 candles. That's 15 minutes. When a 15-minute time frame, 45 minutes. That's a 15-minute time frame. So 3 15-minute candles. 1, 2, 3. We got to be down here. If we're not down here in 45 minutes, we are exiting the trade. Why? Because this is going to either shift in this opposite direction or it's going to range out. So it looks like it'll go like this. It'll shift in the opposite direction, or it's going to do this right here at your entry. And we don't want to go through any of that. So we're going to be 3 candles or less. That's what it's going to be, 3 candles or less. So 1, 2, 3, we got to be down here. All right, risking 1 to 2% of your account. Now, make sure that you are using the same lot size every position that you're trading on Forex pairs. That means if you're trading a 50-cent lot size, that's 0.05, 50 cents per pip. If you're 0.05 on all Forex pairs, make sure you're trading 0.05 on all Forex pairs, because if you don't, it will mess up your risk to reward ratio, meaning you could lose 9 trades and win 3 and still profit, all by using your proper risk, meaning your risk to reward has your exits. All right, this trade here is 20 pips, so we got 10 pip stop loss. This is the tightest stop loss some of y'all ever had. All right, this is a 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip move. Again, this is 15-minute. So what does that mean? That means we're scalping. We're scalping right now. We're not going for more than 20 pips. It's scalping because when we look to our left, we got some market structure. All right, nothing here, but you look at the higher time frames, we're going to have some market structure. So it means it's going to hit these areas. It's going to bounce back up. On the 15-minute time frame, it wants to come down and grab that liquidity. So we identify the liquidity, catch some of it before it pulls back. But you guys will learn this actual strategy, learn the sauce on Thursday. But since you guys are already on here, I'm gonna give you guys some juice. We got five EMAs here. So I look at these EMAs and I see that they're on top, the 800, 200, and 50. All right, my 15 or my 5 and 13 are my entry exit EMAs. So I see this is the market equilibrium. So I know that this is the magnet in the market. The price has to pull away from the magnet and pull back. Has to pull away and pull back. No matter what pair you are, the market is going to pull back to the equilibrium, the key level in the market. So therefore, when I see price sets up to my entry, I know that the closer I am to the aqua, the equilibrium, the more money I'm going to make, because price has to be here and has to pull either up or has to pull down. Well, we're looking for price to come down because we're looking for sales. It's a clear downtrend. So when we see this, the closer we are to the aqua, the more money we'll make. So we want to see this. We want to pull down here where this level was before it actually pulls back and reverses into a sell, or it may not even reverse to a sell. It might just continue down 1-to-3 ratio all the way down. Right now we have a 1-to-2 ratio, and we're gonna roll ahead and roll with it. 1-to-2 ratio. So here's our stop loss. Stop loss is gonna be 86,224. 86,224. TP. That's how you have rules of trading. You have rules of trading. So if you don't have rules of trading, you'll be stuck in this market forever, not knowing what to do. I know if I'm not in profit in 3 candles, I know I got to pull out. I'm going to guess.
Hey, Vern.
What's going on?
Can you say the TP because I'm driving?
Yep. I got you. It's 0.85857. 0.85857. Yep. So we're gonna hold on for a bit. And one thing is, all right, so this is how you do this. It's how you do this trade. It's how you don't babysit your trades. You say, hey, Serial. Say, hey, Serial. Hey, Siri, set my trade for 45 minutes. You set it for 45 minutes, and she gonna babysit it for you. You ain't gotta look at your trade. You know, in 45 minutes when that alarm go off, if you're not in profit in 45 minutes, 3 candles, you know you exit the trade. All you're gonna do is look at your trade. Am I blue or am I not blue? If you're not blue, you exiting. If you're blue, find it to your exit. That's it. No ifs, ands, or buts. Don't be trying to, let me see if it'll turn blue. None of that. You are definitely about to lose that trade. All right. You are definitely lose that trade. You don't know your strategy works until you actually use what you're supposed to be doing. Your rules. Use your rules when you're trading, and you know if your strategy works or not. That's all. And GJ is busting. My goodness. Dang. I don't like GJ, but because GJ be taking my heart away. But GJ's busting. It's busting right now. I just had a little glance at it. That's all. Had a little glance. I had to check it out. All right, so that was our TPs and stop loss. Stop loss 0.86224. 0.86224. All right, this is a 25 pip move. Pretty good. Let that ride for a minute. We should be down here. We should at least be 15 pips in profit by then. Remember, we're scalping. All right, we're scalping. This is 15 pips down here. So our risk free, we want to come down here. We want to be down here. Anytime you get a chance to make your trade risk free, that's what you want to do. What that means is when you get to a certain amount, you got money. So you got a dollar lot size and you're 15 of $25 in profit. You want to make sure that you put this stop loss in front of your entry, 35 pips. All right. The reason 35 pips is because your spread, you want your spread to take you out in profit if it pulls back. You don't want to lose money if it pulls back. You want to be risk free. You can't lose a trade. You can't lose. You took some money and then you took some more money, you know, but this is risk free down here. So 15 of 25, again, scalping time frame. We'll get into a longer trade for later, but we're definitely going to get out between 15 and 25 pips. Nah, you're good. No, you're good on right now. You're good on GJ. I was about to get into a sell on GJ. You good? I was about to smack GJ. Nah, you're in the right way. I was getting ready to get on GJ that drop. I was getting ready. I was going to get on this right here. But I didn't like what is I don't like this right here. This is what I don't like right here. GJ does this. They'll pull down to you and then take off that way. I don't like that. They fast about that. They're real fast. What else we got? We got GJ looks all right. Euro GBP. I do have a buy limit for y'all on Euro AUD. I do got something on Euro AUD for y'all. Yeah, GJ get you, man. GJ, you got to risk. But I risk literally 1% on GJ, maybe 0.5%. I don't even risk that much on GJ. When I see GJ, I'm like, nah, I'm not risking that much on GJ. Oh, it's number about Euro USD. That's what it was. I wrote down Euro USD. There we go. Dang. Oh man, I missed you. Oh, I miss EU. Oh, I was getting too hyped on NZD Cat. Dang. Oh man. My bad, y'all. My bad. It's all good. I get y'all. I'm about to get y'all right now. Dang. That was the move right there. I was waiting for. All good, all good. That was a good move. I know. That was a smacking move right there. That was a smacking move right there. Dang. We supposed to be up in there. We supposed to be up in there. We supposed to put our parachute on right now. We supposed to be jumping out the plane on this one. That's all right. We about to get on this. We about to get this anyway. So what I'm using right now is called a risk to reward tool. So if you guys don't know what this is, the risk to reward tool calculates your risk to reward. You're gonna learn how to calculate this tonight. All right, guys, this is gonna be a buy limit. I'm gonna actually just copy and paste it. I wrote down. Hold on. Copy and paste what I wrote down. All right, wow. This is Euro USD buy limit. It's going to stay in the chats for a minute. I'll let it stay on the screen if you want to snapshot it. But this is the buy limit. It's a little bit away. It's like maybe a couple pips coming to us. 12 pips away. So this is our buy limit on EU. So I'm looking at right here. Come back up here. It's equilibrium up here. Better run into this time frame. Come back up here. It's been down for a while. It wants to go ahead and do its thing. Oops. Wants to do its thing. Yeah, I got y'all Thursday on this. I'm gonna go deep on this Thursday for sure, and I got the boot camp coming up for this one next month too. So I'm gonna definitely hook y'all up for sure. I know a lot of people want to like learn a strategy. Hey, learn strategy. If it helps, it helps. If it don't, hey, put it in the back of the trash can and wait till the trash man comes. That's all. Don't hurt my feelings. But nah, it makes you see the market different. It makes you see the market different. It does. So we gonna wait EU to come with us. Let EU come with us. You guys should be good on NZD Cat. You guys should be busting on NZD Cat right now. Pretty good. Got a couple pips on there. NZD Cat is not crazy. So make sure you put this Euro USD. It's coming to y'all. So it's going to drip. Our stop losses. Let me see. Not that bad. Yeah, we're good. We got 40 pip stop loss. 40 pip stop loss on a 101 pip move. Hold on. I think I did 101. Nope, I did more. 130. I had 101 last night. 130. So it's a 130 pip move right here. See, I don't go for those 20 pip moves only when I'm on live with y'all. I try to get y'all in and out. You know what I mean? But when I'm doing this actual trading, we actually hold these trades. We actually hold these trades until they tell us to get out. We set it, forget it. This is how you actually want to trade. You want to be able to hold your trade and you know, let it ride. You don't have to do too much. All right, let me put this in mind, and then we can go to all right, so you guys are almost there. Let that be for a minute. Yeah, GJ's busting. GJ's busting. They all busting. All GP pairs busting. I wish I go NZD Carol fast. Make sure we're good. Should get y'all at least 3 trades. At least 3. Get y'all like close to 60 pips. All right, we look good on this. We got 2 candles. We got this candle and next candle. Next 2 candles, we gotta be down here. Not up here, we gotta be down here. Close to it. So we're good. We got about 9 pips left, and then we're gonna make it risk free. Straight up. All right, so let's look at some GJ busting. Let me see what GJ talking about. Let's see what GJ talking about. GJ is busting. I ain't gonna jump in that candle. No way. Nah, it's going. It's busting right now. It's busting right now. Get right now. GU. G's got a pretty nice move. Gotta be careful with GU though. Send this fringe. Send like this nasty fringe right here. Nasty consolidation, and it breaks out and it pops down and breaks up and it pops down. Yeah, it's got a pretty nice break coming. It's gonna break and it's gonna take off. You gotta be careful with GU. I've been pretty cautious on GU. But it's been down for a while though. Been down for a while. Let's see. Can we get anything out of this thing? Already bust down 25 pips already. Not yet. Again, guys, never get into the middle of a candle, especially in an hour. Especially in the middle of the hour. That thing will pull back on you so fast. All right, Euro USD tap me in. So I'm in that buy limit. G Chef, let's see. Here comes the pullback. There you go. GA, here comes that pullback. GCAD comes the pullback. Not yet coming. There was coming. USD CAD. What pairs y'all playing today? What's on your watch list? So every week you should be making a watch list. Every week you gotta be making a watch list. That means what pairs you looking at? What pairs did you analyze? What pairs did you mark up? Cat Jappy, nope. GJ, GU, EA, UC, and Go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, EA is pretty good. That's why if I had to choose a Euro pair, that'd be EA. That'd be it. That'd be the one. It's a scary move on gold. I don't know what it's gonna do. Yeah, the Euro indices. Yeah, I actually looked. Those are pretty fast. The Euro indices are pretty fast. They're pretty fast. Yeah, they're pretty fast. Yeah, EU, yeah, EU. I'm gonna have to look at that. Appreciate that, Dante. I'm gonna look at that. I'm gonna check them out. I always like looking at something new. See what they got. So they got. You talk like France 40 and like the IBX, the IBEX 35, stuff like that. I got you. Yeah. I say I've traded those before. UK 100. Yeah, I've traded those before. Those are pretty dope. Yeah. I send. Yeah, send those to me. I'm gonna check them out. I'm gonna test them out. See how volatile they are. Maybe I call something off them. All right, guys, look, check this out on gold. I'm gonna wait. It'll probably be when we get off this call. We'll probably be formed by then. I need this right here to form. All right, I need this right here to form. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check out France 40 again. I haven't played that in a while. But this drop for gold is pretty good. If I can get this thing to come down in 1760s, we're pretty good. We're in good shape. It's pretty good shape. So when this in an hour, if this forms like it needs to, we're golden. Actually, looks at hour and 50 minutes. So hour and 50 minutes, you might see this trade come out. Gold. And it's going to be a nice drop. Nice pull. Not messing with 30. Not messing with US 30. Not yet. All right, we look at NZ CAD. Almost there. Nothing else moving yet. Nothing crazy moving yet. We just gotta be patient on it. Like I said, you might get 1 or 2 setups. Play it. Try to get your 1 to 5%, and go from there. That's all at this point because this winter is so slow. Appreciate that. While I'm waiting on this trade, I'm waiting on NZD CAD to give me my next one. I'll figure out their prices later though. Feel it. Global Prime definitely the better one. That's for sure. I got DAX as German 30. I use that all day. EU as TX 500. Global Prime, the best for sure. Oops. Appreciate that. I'm gonna look at it. Appreciate that. 100. I'm gonna look at it for sure. We almost risk free. We're almost there. You guys should be catching it. Now, really, when you're trading, you only need about 2 to 3 trades a day to actually be we're gonna look at some trades on this. I'm gonna set this up, and if you guys got a vibe, watch out because if I see these busting on vibe, it's over. When I test these out, and I profit manually off this, it's over. Oh, this thing gonna call. I know France 40 pops because I've traded before. But if the rest of these is right, oh yeah, it's on. It's on. It's gonna be a good winner. It's gonna be a good winner. So NZD CAD 1, 2, 3. We're good on this right now. We got a little while. Risk freeze coming up. So you only need about 2 or 3 trades a day to get 5%. So you want to trade your 2%. You're risking 2% to make 5%. Yeah, it sounds crazy, but you're doing that over the. So you're doing like 6%. You're getting 2% per trade at minimum. You know what I'm saying? So if you have $100 account to get 5%, you only have to make $5 to $6. All right. If you have a $200 account, you only gotta make $10. All right, $10 to $11. So that's what your 5% is. You're making every day 5%, 5%. That's your goal. So your goal is 5%, but per week, you're looking at 25% a week, but you're looking at 15% a week with human error. So if you trade 3 days, all right, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, those are good market trending days, then you are making 15% a week. That is a lot. That's a lot to be making. And over time, it grows fast. All right, guys, everyone was at risk free. Let me know y'all blue. Let me know y'all blue. Let me know y'all good. Yeah, y'all enter right. Make sure nobody click the button all late. Your screen should be navy blue at this point. Bright. It should be shining. There should be no red on this. We 15 pips in profit. 15 of 25. Like we want it. We are 15 of 25. Looking good. We're good. 15 of 25. So what you guys do, I want you to see that pullback. You can either take your money now. You can either take it, all of it, close the button, boom, or you make it risk-free. So I want you to make your trade risk-free. Boom. Put your stop loss in front of your take profit. If you need a number, I'll give you a number. All right. If you need a number, I'll give you a number if you need a number. All right. You could change your stop loss if you want to let it ride to 86073. 0.86073. There you go. That is your risk-free trade. Put your stop loss in front of that entry. All you gotta do is change the stop loss. If you want to let it ride to 25 pips, let it ride. If you want to take some partials, take 80%. So if you got a 06, all right, get a 0.06 or 0.05, take some money off of that. I leave the 02 running. You know what I'm saying? Let it be. Boom, let it go. But you took some money, and then guess what? If it pulls back, guess what it does? It knocks you out in profit. So you do not lose anything. You are risk-free. So that's what the risk-free is. But you guys are good on that. Smack that. Let that one ride. We're going to find us another good trade. Almost at 5%. Good, man. That's what's up. That's how you want to do it. That's what's up. So this is trade. It's no longer looked at. You set it. Forget it. 25 pips is coming. All right, so let's check out some more. Quick, easy 15 real fast. That's scalping. That's scalping for you. We're going to get some longer ones as the market opens up some more. But right now, they're opening up. They're creating what is called a vector, which is a fast magnitude push. They're either breaking out or they're faking out. So we're playing some of that right now. We just don't want to get caught. That's all. Like this nonsense. Good call. Let's see. Let's check it out. Okay. Looks pretty good. Let's see what they do. Boom, boom. Gotta be careful. We got AGB though. Gotta be careful. But let's see. Yeah, gotta be careful on it. It still could drop a little bit, but it could rise some more. But it could drop a little bit more. It's got 60 pip drop versus a 40 pip rise. They'll probably take the money down here before they pull up. They probably will take the money down here. Let's see. 15 minute. It's actually pretty good. Let's see the risk to reward. Oop, my bad. Wrong way. Yeah. I'm over here. I'm over here drawing the long tool. You ain't say nothing to me, y'all. Y'all ain't even say nothing to me. Y'all see me. Y'all see me going over here. Dyslexic. It's not a bad call. I like this actually. It's not bad, except it's got a higher time frame. Higher time frame counter trend, which means that the 1 hour is in the middle of that counter trend. Yep. Which means it still pulls back down. This is a bounce. Nice bounce though. It's a nice bounce. Nice 50-50 bounce. All right, guys, I'm gonna sell NZDCHF. Selling NZDCHF. This is actually not bad right here. NZDCHF. You can click the button for a sell. NZDCHF. Use the same lot size on your Forex pairs. Don't forget. Don't go crazy. Don't be like, oh, we get that one trade. I'm about to over leverage. Nah, you be mad. You be upset. And you want to burn my jersey. Can't have that jersey burning. All right, so NZDCHF has a spread of. So this is how you want to find your stop loss too on pairs like this, on trades like this. So let's find NZDCHF. It's not that bad actually. The spread's not bad on NZDCHF. It could be worse. Spread's like 1 or 2. So I'm gonna do 2. It's gonna be 4 pips up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. Oops, hold on. Why does it keep doing that? Two, 5, 3, 0, right? We should be good on this. There we go. 2, 3, 4. All right, so you take your spread, which is the spread of your pair, multiply times 2. You put it above the last higher high or last lower low of that market structure, and that's going to put it out of the reach of the dealer. All right, it's going to put it out of reach. Look to your left. It puts it out of the reach of that dealer as well. So you know the market came up here a few times, missed it, missed these people. All right, so you know you're pretty good. So you can look to it. If it hits that, you know it's going to take off, right? Our risk to reward is going to be a 1-to-2 ratio. One trade, double our profits. We want to be risking, or we will be rewarded more than we're risking. All right. So let's see. All right. So now we did that on NZCHF. Stop loss is here. Let's see what our TP is coming down. Pretty good. It's pretty wild. So let's check it out. 35. 4. All right. All right, stop loss is going to be 0.62702. 0.62702. That's your stop loss. Your take profit is going to be your first one, 0.62319. That's going to be risk-free right there. That's 20 pips of 35. And then your ultimate TP, all time, 618 62185. I'm thinking about it. I might try to do it today. Actually thinking about doing it today. The end of C games. I was thinking about it. It's just the volume's been like crazy. If I do anything, it's gotta be NAS 100 because US 30 is killing me. It's like it's not doing nothing. It's spiking. It's doing too much spiking for me. But I might try to do NAS 100. See how it's moving because it did have a nice little run yesterday. All right, TP is 62185. That's the 35 pip one. And then your stop loss is 0.62702. I know some of y'all working, some of y'all driving, so you gotta hear me say it. It's all good. Understood.
I'm home now.
You're good. You're good. Take your time. It's gonna stay on the screen for a minute. All right, so guys, this is a little different one. All right, this is your rule for this. You have a stop loss. You have a stop loss. All right, we're playing off this shift in the market. Now, you have a stop loss. Don't move that stop loss. That stop loss is calculated. You've already calculated that stop loss. You took all this time to calculate it. Don't move it. Don't pull it back because, oh, it's pulling back. Let me move my stop loss. No, just leave it there. All right. You want to be in profit within 8 candles. 8 candles on this trade. That's 15-minute time frame. 8 candles. You should be down here in 8 candles. This is a very slow trade. This NZD CHF is snail slow. It's gonna be real slow. All right. This thing only puts out about 60 to 72 pips a day, maybe. So you gotta be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need to be down here in 8 candles. That's about an hour and a half, 2 hours, right? Set your timer for almost 2 hours. That means it's 4:22 right now. We got into this trade. So that means almost 5:30. You should be in profit. If you're not in profit, exit the trade. Why? Because it's going to range out. All right. And play on the entry or near your or drawdown or whatever it is, or it's going to shift in the opposite direction. Those are your two. That's the only way it's going to do. Either range out, consolidate, or it's going to shift in the opposite direction. And we don't want to go through any of those. So be patient on your trade. Patient pays. We're paid to wait. We're definitely paid to wait. So put that stop loss on your trade. You would never get a trade from me without stop loss. Remember, just know that you'll always get a stop loss. I believe in them things because they save your account 100%. $62. So let NZD Chef do his thing. It's gonna be so slow. This is gonna be like probably one of the slowest trades you ever see. All these Chef pairs, some of the CADs, but Chef pairs are slow. Maybe not USD CHF. That's pretty fast. When you have news and stuff, they go pretty fast. So that's your trade here. NZD CHF. We got Euro USD playing that entry. All right, and then we'll check out a longer trade. Let's check a longer trade out and see what we got. Let's check a longer trade out. See what we have. Just let that be. This is gonna be a minute. It's gonna be a minute. We'll do one more. Ain't gonna bombard y'all with hold too much. That looks pretty good though. Looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I like that one. Let's check something into the New York session. Let's see what happens. Let's see what anything happens in the New York session. GA AU. AU. Let's see what AU gonna do. AU took off though, man. Yeah, you took off. What you doing up here, AU? Oh, AU, OU. There you go. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see, AU. But you're giving me some crazy vibes. What's going on? Why are you rejecting me? Why are you rejecting? Let's see. Make sure y'all zoom out y'all charts so you can see what they're doing. All right, AU, what you do? Boom. Came up. Shift off there. The weekly aqua. Boom. Took off. Now you're coming back. Now you're coming back. All right. This is actually pretty good. But how far can they go? 15-minute. AU's a pretty good setup, actually. AU's pretty good. I like AUD USD. This could be a while though. This could be a long time. This one could be a long time. But with news coming out, who knows? Let's see. See if our risk to reward is worth it. Let's see something. Oh yeah, that's worth it. Oh, that's worth it. That's worth it. All right, guys, on buy stop on this. Buy stop. It's gonna be a pending on AU. It's gonna be a pending. If it comes to us, we're good. If not, it just drops down. It's all good. All right, so the buy stop on AU. Let's see. All right, buy stop is going to be 0.7114. Sorry, 0.71114. It's a buy stop. Dang, yeah, I've done that, man, so many times. Be getting me sometimes. Stop loss 0.72364. TP. Yeah, I know we getting gold too. We're gonna smack gold again. 100, so we gotta do 71,341. 71,341.
Thank you guys so much for checking out this video for just
620.
yourself, the D-Sharp cover. Also special thanks to these guys for working so hard on the video. They did an amazing job. This guy operated all those dope drone shots. And also,
all right, this is AUD USD.
On their channel. And thank you guys. Dinner's on me tonight, okay? Okay. All right. Thank you. See you soon.
Appreciate that. Here we go. 7489. All right, cool. All right, we're looking good on that. AUD USD. That's what I see on AUD USD. I let that come to you. The reason being, this has to break the equilibrium. all these EMAs are the equilibrium on another time frame. But I need this to break this equilibrium here because we want this thing to pull off of this equilibrium on the next time frame, which is the 4 hour. We wanted to pull off and take off. All right. So we want to be patient on this. We don't want to get in the middle of this candle, because if we get in the middle of this candle and it drops on us, we are in a world of trouble. So we have to be patient and let it do its thing. So we're going to wait for it to pull up, and then it's going to get us in a trade, maybe a little bit of drawdown because it has to pull back a little bit, and then try to take off. This should take off during New York. So you might see this activate within like the next 3 hours. It might just play around like this at your entry. It might just do this, and the New York session to come, and boom. All right. So be patient. That's all. Oh yeah, NZD Cab busting. I know my NZD Chef spreads is out of control. I don't know what they did, but they opened up. They opened up for sure. My spread's open. Like, man, what happened? NZD CHF is busting though. It's almost there. Euro USD gonna be a minute. It's gonna play with y'all until about New York session. New York session is when it'll probably do some things. Same thing with AU. Other than that, who took those trades yesterday? Who got them trades yesterday? Y'all, was y'all scared? Y'all was scared to go to sleep on those trades? That A range, no joke. If you could sleep on the A range with the trade, you got some sight, you got some psychology, you're good. The psychology is on point. All right, we got one more. All right, one more. We're going good. One more. We're gonna chill off the session, get y'all some sleep. I know y'all gonna want to get a New York session. I might play NSC games, or I might just hop on and just try to get some scalping trades on some scalping time frames. Let y'all ride y'all trades out for the day. So I might, I might do that. If the NDCs ain't looking too good, we won't do that. But we'll definitely play some regular players. I'm gonna try to hop on New York. So I'm gonna try to do that all week. Try to do that Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, for sure. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The days that I trade are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday live. After that, we trade our own risk after that. So AU, I like this trade. I want this trade. I want this trade. All right, but we're gonna see what happens. We'll get it. All right, we got one more. Let's take one more. Mr. Gold, where you at? Mr. Gold. Oh, we good. Oh, look at that. Ooh, boy. Look at this thing. All right, that means that number. Yeah, buddy. That's what we want right here. We need this full thing to close. We got an hour and 25 on this thing. I need this thing to close. But in the meantime, we can hop on. Yeah, see, this right here is what I don't like. This fringe right here. This fringe is called a fringe right here. This is the high of the fringe. This is the low of the fringe. This is what you don't want to play in any pair. Golds especially. This thing can take off on you. It can go off. It can go either way. So how you play this fringe is you need this to break out, but so for a certain period of time now. You need to break out, and then you need to pull back to you. So it needs to break out this way. It has to break out, and then it needs to pull back to you to actually get into this trade, because you can't play that breakout. Unless you break and retest, that's fine, but you're taking a good gamble on that break and retest part. With gold, you are. Because it could break and it retests and then jolt back down. You just got to be careful with those. But you play it break and it comes back to you. All right. And then you get your entry. Same thing down here. It breaks down here. This breaks that fringe. And then it comes back to you, give you an entry. Gives you an entry. And then you can get back into that trade. So this fringe right here, I'm going to draw. I don't like this fringe here. But I'm going to keep it there because this is actually a pretty good move on gold for the fringe. Yeah, this is a nasty fringe right here, but this thing could just drop, you know. I'm looking at it. What I'm looking at is drop. I'm looking at the drop right here, 1960. So that's what I'm gonna play it to. Keep playing it to 1960. 1984 is what it hit last time, so I know to go above that box, that fringe. That's my next stop loss. Spread times 2. 1985, probably 86. 86. You guys should be good on Euro USD and NZD CHF. You guys should be good on that right now. All right. Entry, risk, TP, 1760. 5. Let's try, I think 65. I know, man. I know it looks pretty good. So we got a pretty good risk to reward here. I think we got a pretty good risk to reward here. This is pretty good. So we're gonna wait for gold to pull back up to us again. 1780.52. I'm going to smack it again. 1780.52. Actually, hold on. Hold on. 1 second. Hold on. 1 second. Hold on. 1 second. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, that's about right. Yep. $17.80.52. 1780.52. Stop loss 1786. Should be 20. 86.20. First TP. The bottom of that fringe. 1776. All right. 1776.80. Next TP. $17.71. And your last one, $17.65. Just like that. That's what I see. If it don't happen. Risk. Now on indices metals, all right, you want to go with your proper risk on this. So 1%, I use 1% on indices and metals because they're pretty volatile. They'll pay you off faster than Forex pairs. So you don't have to risk your full 2% because you're gonna make the same when you're 1%. So like US 30, you get 400 points on that. It's equivalent to almost $40. So Forex pair, you're gonna have to really make make 40 pips. So I wouldn't risk an arm and leg on these metals for sure, or commodities or indices. All right, cool. How y'all feel about that? Y'all feel pretty good about those? Anybody scared about their trade? They nervous? They're like, oh no, man, I don't know about these trades. Yeah, I mean, I take them any day. Yeah. Yeah, I like gold. I mean, I'm playing with the trend on gold, guys. I'm not going against not this time. Y'all usually see me go against the trend with gold, but I don't like this. I don't know about this one. I don't know about I ain't gonna lie, I don't know about this going against the trend right now with gold. This thing is deadly. I'm gonna just play with the trend. Usually I go against it up and down. I've been going one way. I'm see the trend, that's what I'm doing. But that's the drop I see. I mean, the rise is nice. We all want the rise, you know what I mean? We want to be like, oh, it's getting it, but guess what? You make just as much money or more when they sell too. So remember, you play the market both ways. That's the beauty about forex. Play it both ways. Who cares if it goes up or down? I wanted to go up. Why you want to go up? Who cares? Just play where it's going. It's going down. All right, let's play it down. It's going up. Let's play it up. You wanted to go down because you're in the wrong way. You wanted to go up because you're in the wrong way. I know. I've been there. I want this thing to go up, man. I need this thing to go up, man. I need to go up. I need to go up because I'm in the wrong way. I need this thing to go because I'm in the wrong way. It's all good. I was doing that yesterday with US 30. I clicked the button. I was like, oh, man. I clicked the wrong. I clicked buy. I meant to sell. That thing jolted down. And then it went my way. I said, all right, great. Here we go. Over there trying to type too fast and click buttons too fast. So let go be. Let that be. That sell limit. Let it come to you. All right, Euro USD. Let's check on it real fast. Make sure we looking all right. Oh, we groovy. We groovy. We in there. Let this thing do. Let this thing do what it do. Let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. A little bit of pullback coming. That's good. Looks good to me. It might try to retest it, but looks good. I think we good on this. I think we're good, guys. I think we're good. We smacked. Oh, what's the NZD CHF? Did it hit TP or hit the full TP? Or did it pull back? Or sorry, NZD CAD back. NZD CAD. Nah, I pulled back. See, that's what you see. Look at that. Risk free. Pull back. We risk free. We good. We got our 15 of 25. We good out there. See, that's what we took it. You take it or you make it risk free. Nice little pullback though. NZD CHF got a little bit of pullback. Yeah. It happens. NZD gonna be a little while. And then Euro gonna be slow too. Euro gonna be slow too. Let's look at GU fast though. GU, GJ pull back. Yep, they pull back. Yeah, gotta be careful with GU. Be careful with GU. GU biting people right now. It's biting. Look at all these fake outs. All these fake outs. That's all I got. Yeah, that's all I have then, guys. I appreciate y'all being on this morning. Definitely get some sleep and chill. I'm gonna probably hop back on New York session for about an hour, but I think we good on these. We're good on EU. We good on NCHEF. NZD real fast. All right, real fast on this. 8 candles. Remember that. 8 candles. 8 candles off that shift of the market. All right. So 8 candles got to be down here on the 15-minute time frame. Got to be down here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. So count 8 candles from your shift in the market. So you got to see. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. You got 4 more candles, 4.5 candles. So 4.5 candles, you got to be in profit down here. 4.5 more candles on a 15-minute time frame. So you got 4.5 candles. Got to be down here. Don't be sitting in the trade trying to make it go back up. Just follow your rules. It will save you because of this. Check this out. You have a 17 pip stop loss, right? 17 pips by following your rules turns into 3 pip stop loss. 3 pips. That's it. If you exit this trade correctly because it's ranging out or it shifts the opposite direction, guess what you're going to do? At 3 to 5 pips, you're out versus 17. It is easy to get 3 to 5 pips back. All right, easy. So just make sure you follow your rules. That's why our risk to reward becomes real great. You're not going to lose all this because we have exits. You'll learn your exit soon. But you exit about right there, not even halfway through. Exit right there, you're done. Just like that. But let this trade ride. Let it do it do. All right. If you are in profit, take it towards your risk-free zone. All right. Or take your money as you see fit. That's all. And then EU, set it, forget it. Euro USD is a set it, forget it. So is gold. Set it, forget it. Euro USD, set it and forget it. Don't even worry about this trade. Just let it be. Your stop loss is there. TPs are there. And then same thing for gold. Set it and forget it. If you need them again, here's the TPs for Euro USD. I'll throw them in there again in case you missed it. That's Euro USD. NZD CHF. All right, and gold. I'll put in there one more gold. Put up in there. There you go. Be patient on gold. Don't click the button because you see it going down. If you scalp it, that's on you. But don't click the button because you say, "Yo, gold going down. Let me get in there now." Don't do it. You'll regret it. Trust me. Just let it be. Be patient on it. When it hit, it likes to hit and drop, pull back nasty, or it takes off and it'll suck you up down here or suck you up here and scare you and then pull back down. Just gotta be patient. If it hits your stop loss, guess where it's going? Going up. So if you see it hit stop loss, right? Take your trade, get a good position, come back up. It's only trying to come back up if it does that. But if it breaks below this fringe, this thing is gone. When it breaks below this fringe in the 15-minute fringe, the 15-minute consolidation area, that's the first time frame to see the breakout. When it does this, it's gone. It's out of there. All right, so remember that 15-minute time frame consolidation, that 15-minute time frame fringe. When it breaks that, draw your box on your MC4. This is the fringe. You'll see it. You can't miss it. And you'll go ahead and bam. The higher the fringe, low the fringe. It breaks the high of this fringe or below this fringe, it's coming down. It breaks the high of this fringe, it's taking off. That's why our stop loss is right here. All right. So if it really hits our stop loss, it's really gone. But you guys are good on NZD CAD. You guys smacked that. Good job on that, guys. Good hold on that. Euro USD and NZD CHF, they are now back in profit for us. Let those ride. All right. Let those ride. Let them breathe. Let Siri babysit. Y'all got any questions for me? Tonight, 7 p.m. Risk management. 8 p.m. Trade psychology. I got y'all for 2 hours. Tomorrow, you got Rob, you got DeMarco Blassie, and you got Rob tomorrow. All right, so you're gonna have some good, you got some good education today and tomorrow. So definitely get your notepads and soak it out, soak it all in. We're going in for sure.
Hey, Vonzel, before you go, do you mind checking out US 30 for me?
I got you. Let's check it out.
Thanks, my guy.
Let's check it out. Let's see. US 30.
I'm in it for the buy right now.
Oh, you in the right way. You good. You in the right way. Let's check something now. Let's see what Vibe calling too, man. Because Vibe on indices has been smacking. Let's check something for you. Let me hook you up. Stay in this buy. Definitely stay in this buy. Stay in this buy. Don't even get out. But let's see something. Hold on one second. Let's see. Let's see. US 30 gonna pull back. You already know that it's gonna pull back. So let's check it out. It's gonna pull back and you get you another entry. But stay in the buy though. Don't get out the buy. Keep your original position. Keep the original position.
I'm at 347.
What's your original entry?
347 23.19.
347 2319.
Yep, perfect.
Right, cool. That's the original. Oh, you up there? You smacking. You smacking. You got a pullback coming up. You got a nice pullback coming. So definitely take some partials, and you can get this.
That's what I was thinking about doing.
They said what?
That's what I was thinking about doing, taking some partials or even just closing.
Yeah, take some partials. Yeah, take some partials for sure. 100% take some partials on this. 100%. It's about to pull back. So let's find out where the pullback's coming. Wow, there it goes right there. All right, here's your pullback. Don't take it, but you can take it when it pulls back. It should run back into the 1 hour or fit. It's running 1 hour. Yep. All right, so when it pulls back, here's your pullback number. All right. There's your pullback number right here. All right, so when it pulls back, it's going to pull back down, hit that 1 minute. Come down 1 minute to a trade zone. Yeah, we good. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Stay in that buy for sure. It's just going to pull back for you. That's all. It's going to pull back. So when US 30 is pulling, back, that means gold is going to go up. And then when US 30 takes off, gold's going to go down. So that's how you play gold in US 30. So let's check this out.
Yeah.
So US 30, when it pulls back, get some partials because you way up there. Oh yeah, you up there. You cooking. When it pulls back, this is the pullback area. 35,400. 35,400. That's a bank level. That's one of those bank levels right there. 35,400 is a good area to take it when it pulls back. Get you a stop loss on it because it's going to be an individual trade. 35,284. It's going to be a little further, but you want to give it some room because of news. And then your TPs. You can try it. What you at? 100? Let's see. Was it 1,000 pip move? About 1,000 pip move up there. So your first TP takes off. Back up here. So 35,575. You want to actually get that. You actually want to get it. 35,575. Make your trade worth it. Next TP, 35,640. And then the next one, your last one, 35,751. So yeah, there you go. That's what I look at on there on US 30. I don't see no sell on it, but definitely a pullback's coming. And this pullback's coming back on that 5 minute. It's going to pull back in a minute, a little bit. Because the 5 minutes got a pullback coming. So here you go. Put in chat for you. Yeah, stay in that buy though. Stay all up in that buy. But take some partials though. 100% take partials up there. While you up there now, take partials before it pulls back. So if anybody want to take that, hey, there you go. It's a good trade for the US 30 right there. That looks good to me. I would smack that. I'm just gonna wait, see what it does really. I mean, it's gonna pull back here. I just man, US 30 I get addicted. I'm just like, all right, and I just can't stop playing it. So once I start playing 30, I'm zoomed in on it. I'm zoned in, man. I'm just like nothing else matters. How y'all doing on NZD Euro USD? How y'all doing on that? Y'all good? My NZD spreads look ridiculous. They look ridiculous, but it's all good.
Hey, Vonzel, thanks for the setup, man.
Hey, you're welcome. Yeah, guys, if you want to take your money whenever you take it, get your 5% and be out the market. All right, be out the market. 5% be out. You don't need to do all that. If your trade looking a little suspect sometimes because of stuff opening, it's okay. Take your trade and be done. It's okay. It's okay to take your money. Be used to saying I'm done. Get used to saying I'm out. But this US 30 trade look good. I'm actually going to put that in my MT4 and you can use it as a buy limit, guys. You can use that as a buy limit. You can put a buy limit on this. It could be a buy limit entry right here. It's going to be a quick trade too. But when it takes off, it's taking off. And it take off, it probably ain't coming back. Shoot. I don't trust TP no more. TP is not guaranteed. All right. TP is not guaranteed. TP is a request. It's saying that your TP, all the take profit means is that, like Rob said yesterday, take profit is going to take the money and going to increase your balance, and or stop loss, take the money and decrease it. In other words, when it hits your stop loss, all it's saying is, I don't want to lose no more money here. And it takes your TP and says, I'm gonna hit your TP. And I said, you want to get out the market when it gets to this number. That's all it's saying. That's all it means. Just I don't trust TP. Hey, it's not guaranteed. I mean, everybody want to do the TP smash dance. I get it, 100%. We all do, but TPs aren't guaranteed. You know what I mean? That's all it is. But I let mine ride to the TP. When it hit TP, it's hitting like a boss. But it's a beautiful trade when you have 100 pips set up and it hits all 100 pips. You know what I mean? Like yesterday, AUD JPY, that thing smacked. Euro JPY did a little something too. All right, so hit that as a buy limit. Put US 30 as a buy limit. Set it. Forget it for now, and then you can move your once it goes in profit, move your stop loss up. That's all. So when it goes in profit, start moving it up. Other than that, yeah, you killing that. Who's that? James? Yeah, you killing that trade. That's a good trade. It's a nice
Are you
trade.
putting this call inside the chat?
Yeah, this one. Yep, I got you.
All right, thanks, Mungie.
Yeah, got you.
Hey, you have a good day too, man.
Hey, y'all too, man. Y'all be good. Y'all be good. Y'all be good. Y'all be good. I see y'all for sure. Hook y'all up. Boom. There you go. But y'all golden. I ain't made it all the way to. You're right. I know how to profit. Hey, set it, forget it. It takes some time to set it, forget it. It takes some time. Be all right. Set it, forget it. Yeah, you good. Set it, forget it. Take profit. That's it. But I'm gonna see y'all. Y'all be good. I'll see y'all probably in New York. We're gonna probably do some regular trading like this on New York. We'll play some indices though in New York. We'll play some indices for sure. We're gonna definitely get to the bag in New York if we're playing regular pairs. We're not playing no breakouts. I'm not a breakout trader. So if you're looking for breakouts, you got the wrong traders. I get left behind. I'll be hanging off the tail of that plane. I don't do breakouts. I ain't trying to break it out and I get into the middle of that breakout. Nah, I'm good. But I'll see y'all today. New York session. I'm gonna hop on at 8:40. 8:40. Actually, 9 o'clock. I'm gonna be on 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. I'll be on. Let these indices move a little bit. And then we're going to see what US 30, NAS 100. We'll see what oil does. We'll see what gold does. We'll see what USD JPY, USD CHF. We'll try to trade those pairs and see what's going on with them. Get some money out of that and go on. Watch that AUD USD trade take off, though. So let's see if it will hit that buy stop. But other than that, enjoy your morning. Y'all stay blessed. Drive safe to work. If you're not going to go to work today, hey, stay in bed and chill. You know what I mean? I got to finish these Christmas lights. It's been 3 days. They've been 3 days sitting on my lawn. I'm definitely lazy right now. I don't want to do none of that. I don't want to get on I don't want to do nothing like that. I hate putting up Christmas lights. Take forever. They take forever. And then you get the one bulb that don't work. You're like, oh, come on. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all be good.